Yo guys, it's your boy Didila Everyday here, and today we will be doing a rebuild, and it's the Timberwolves. No, it's not. No, Minnesota Timberwolves. Yeah, but Karl Anthony Towns, D'Angelo Russell, Mikael Britt Beasley, with all the squad. I was either going to do this versus do New Orleans, where I could have Zion, Brandon Ingram, and other people, but I want to have this team because I'm about to make this team. It was going to be bad. Now I'm going to make it to a star. Let's actually move Karl Anthony Towns to us. Oh, no, I was going to change his name. Let's move him to a setter. And no, I put him on power forward. Oh, I'm gonna put D'Angelo Russell actually to a shooting guard that he could play shooting guard I'll put him shooting guard / point guard. And I think I might actually want to do next rebuild. Probably be trading everybody. Like I'll probably do trading Giannis rebuild. Sorry, I'm just looking at the offers. Wait, so we can have Ben Simmons move him to when you move Ben Simmons to a small forward, he's literally a MVP. He's literally a MVP. I moved him to small forward, traded for him, and move him to a small forward. He's MVP, but I want to keep Karl Anthony Towns because Karl Anthony Towns is a good rookie. Center that we could use. Not a good rookie. No, he is a good rookie, but he's not a rookie, but he's good. I want to actually just rebuild with young players on our team. So probably trade the 26 and 31. Let's trade E.D. Davis and let's trade Rookie Rubio. And possibly let's trade Jake Lit. Ooh, he hit 27-26, 24-32, 29-31, 29-30. I might actually want to do this trade to the Clippers. Possibly, could they give us somebody younger, like as a Zubox? No. Yeah, hold on, guys. I'm actually... Sorry, I have to turn off the cap trade because, like, who cares about cap? No one cares about cap. So we're only going to keep 25 and younger on our team. Wait, I was going to pause the video until I'm done trading, but wait, 23 and 26. 23 and 23. We get Zach. Would they do this? I'm down to trade E.D. Davis for... No. I'll give you 2 seconds instead of giving up. Oh, we'll mess with your roster. Fine, I'll throw in a first. Okay, so that means we got Zach. First let's assign him to the G League. And guys, I'll see you guys in this is our new lineup for this. Wait, really? No, wait, no, hold on, guys. Sorry, I'm just gonna change the stuff and see you guys in the end of this season. But hey guys, we didn't make it to the playoffs. We went 35 and 47. Giannis Antetokounmpo wins MVP. LaMelo Ball of the Charlotte Hornets wins Rookie of the Year. Spencer Dinwiddie got injured. That I hope that actually comes back, like I said in the reaction of James Harden trade, comes back. Giannis again. Chris Boucher and Mike Bloomholzer. Oh shoot. This is no Timberwolves. Carl Anthony Towns on NBA 13 with 23.0, 12.5 rebounds. Here, guys, if you didn't see the player stats here. D'Angelo Russell, our league leader, 25 points per game. That's, you could pause the video. Looking through it. I put Zach Collins in the what do you call it? He's a 77. Zach Collins is we didn't even make it to the playoffs. That means that's good because we could actually get a top protected first. Sorry if you hear a good song in the background, that's me playing that. Here guys, this is the guys, I'm actually gonna film one of my favorite games. It's actually Cobra Kai. I'm actually gonna film a video on that. A game. It's basically after this video. I think after I'm done doing my homework. Bucks wins final. When I usually do this, Bucks never win the finals. Giannis Antetokounmpo, your finals MVP. I hope we get like a top. I may say like a top 5 pick, top 10. No, I'm saying top player retirement. Wait, Kyle Korver is on the Nets? Wait, is he actually in the Nets in real life? I wonder that. We're protected the 7 pick. Okay, please. What pick do we get? We get third? Oh my god. We just moved up. That's the luckiest I ever gotten. Oh my god. I'm choosing third, Michael Beasley, and Ricky Rubio 4. Let's see. What? We can get Darren Fox, Michael Porter Jr. You know, guys? Wait, we can get. You know, guys, I might actually try to trade for a star player this episode. Wait, hold on. I actually want to do something. This time, I'm actually going to turn off everybody, so that means they're... Hold on, leave menu. Wait, I want to actually... Rebuilding, contending, contending, so I can't offer, buying, rebuilding. Ooh, so that means I can offer for Luca. Let me do this. I'll do a Carl Anthony Towns and what do you call it, for, you look up, for, I has Luca. Actually, no. I know who to offer for. Jason Tatum. This is a 3rd pick, D'Angelo Russell. Plus, I'll probably give up Michael Beasley. Plus, I'll give up Ricky Rubio. Plus, I'll give up wait, who can we trade? Catch spring. Plus, forget it. I'll give up this first. I can't throw in Anthony Edwards because forget it. We're gonna trade. Yeah, we're not actually gonna get a top 10. We're actually gonna get. No, I'm trading Anthony Edwards. I'm actually gonna keep D'Angelo Russell and Carl Anthony Towns. We Isaac Okoro. Wait. I might actually want to go for this trade because look, we get a 2nd pick that we can contend and probably D'Angelo Russell is point guard, shooting guard. We could draft a small forward. We could draft a center, a power forward or a center. I might actually try to go. I'm actually gonna look through. I might actually try to take Kate Cunningham. We could probably run. No, I'm not sure. Should I go for the Oklahoma Nets? Oh, we can go for Kate Cunningham, but I'm actually gonna trade down that we could get Kate Cunningham. Can we trade? Can we try to offer the third pick? The third pick, actually. No, guys, I'm gonna pause the video until I take someone. Okay? See you guys in. Guys, I was literally so dumb, and I didn't even see that that Anthony Edwards could play small forward. So I traded for the third pick to the from the OKC Thunder, and I decided to take I can't pronounce his name, and Kate Cunningham. Ooh, we're pronouncing the right time. Ooh, imagine we get Kawhi Leonard. I'm gonna end the video when we win the Elisa finals. Ooh, we can't afford any good players. Says we need to clear 30 million cap. Oh, I see why. Coach for Josh Okogie and Jarrett Colbert for like at least a star player. I could probably say running a Blake Griffin off our bench, an old Blake Griffin. You know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm actually gonna sign Hassan Whiteside, to be honest. I'm gonna trade him for a bunch of first-round picks because we could use that first-round picks to trade more people. And we could probably let's get Torrey Craig, sign him and trade him for a bunch of picks. This is what I'm just gonna do. So this means we're gonna trade, this guy for just this first. Ooh, we throw in the second. Perfect. We got a first. We trade Torrey Craig for the Warriors first, and they say, no, I'm too good at this. Oh, it's Minnesota unprotected. It's our pick. Can we trade this to this? Can we trade for another first pick? Can we trade for this pick? Now is your, ooh, no. That means you're gonna have to give us your top 3 protect. You're gonna have to give me your top 3 protectors first. Plus, I'll throw in Jessica. I'll throw it. I can't. Plus, I'll probably just throw in some seconds. I can't. Fine, let's just trade Josh Okogie this first that we got from the 76ers, probably for I might actually try to go for Joe Harris because Joe Harris is a good player that we could actually start. Yeah, we're gonna do this. I'll give up 2 seconds. Guys, so point guard, shooting guard, small forward. Joe Harris will be playing off the bench, our 6-man. Power forward, center, and we're gonna. Oh yeah, I totally forgot we had Hassan Whiteside. Let's probably trade him for like, probably say, whatever the best offer we can get. And guys, I'll basically see you in the next season. Bye. Guys, I think this is the year that we're going to win the finals. We went 55-27. And guess who we got? We got Ben Simmons. I moved him to small forward, and he's literally so good. So good. 6-man. Rookie of the year and 6-man. My 6-man did better. Jarrett Colbert, Brooklyn Nets, Steve Nash. Let's see. All rookies, second team. No, our spam made it? Oh, Karl Anthony Towns made it. How did you make NBA third team? Ben Simmons. We made it to the first seed, and all our players really scored nothing, barely. No, we're not though. There's our player stats that our players did bad. This is so badly. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry, we're going against the Phoenix Suns, which has Patrick Beverly, Devin Booker, Mikal Bridges. This is the rest of the lineup. They have Chris Paul, but Chris Paul is injured, so we might actually wipe them. Guys, she might actually film one more. Actually, might do one more year if we win the championships this year, because it's way too short. What the? We ready? Who's leading our playoff stats? Carl Anthony Towns. Really? We're going against the third seed Denver Nuggets. Jamal Murray. Bobo. Nikola Jokic. All of these players. Shoot. On the other side, we have the Brooklyn Nets, which actually has James Harden. What? Oh, I can't speak right now. The Brooklyn Nets, they lost KD? Oh, KD's injured. They have all these players, Kyrie and James Harden, and they lose to the second seed Atlanta Hawks. I guess this would be easy. Should we just let's actually hop in. Well, there's a car running. A little toy car. We're down by 4. We're down by 10. We're down by 3. We're down by 4. You guys lose again? Oh, please don't go to game 7. I might actually have to hop in. I might actually have to hop in early. We're down by... We're going to a game 7. I'm scared now. Whoa! We're wiping them out. Guys, we lose. We lose. We lose. Yes, there's another year. I thought we're gonna win. Definitely. Let's see. No top 10 pick. We got the... I don't even feel like looking through this. We got the 23rd pick. That's all I saw. How about I know we got the 23rd pick. I forget. Let's trade Ben Simmons and Carl. I'm gonna trade Ben Simmons actually. To be honest, I might move Carl Anthony Towns. Yeah, can we actually move Carl Anthony Towns plus our 2 firsts? Okay, I know who to move Carl Anthony Towns for. Joel Embiid. Would they actually do this for Jason Tatum? Even if Jason Tatum sometimes... What if I move these? Move this and Joe Harris. What if I, instead of moving... I'll move Joe Harris. The best offer so far, I really want... Forget it, we're going to give up Kate Cunningham. How about Steph Curry? what the heck? We can't. And Ben Simmons, we get good offers. I saw Ben Simmons. We got an offer for. Wait. We're actually gonna boost Karl Anthony Towns at the end, because we actually might move Ben Simmons. Actually, to be honest, I'm sorry. Blipper. Devin Booker. What they actually do? 20. Wait, hold on. Wait, guys, hold on. Guys, we go 51 out. Sorry to expect that. 6 months of the year. We literally don't have a good team. Sorry. I traded Ben Simmons for Zion and good ads. Like it's a dummy, good ads. Who's this person? I don't think we're gonna make it to the playoffs. I don't even think. Oh shoot, I turned on my light. Let me turn it back on. You guys can barely see the screen. You guys see it better. We go against the third seed Mavericks, who I think they have a big 3. Hold on. Who they have a good big 3. I'm really scared about it. I'm scared now. Not actually too bad. We might actually wipe them. New Orleans. Ben Simmons literally suck. Sorry. But he's scoring bad numbers. Wait, I know why people are scoring lower. I was wondering why people are scoring lower points. Because I know. Simulate quarters. Like, it's supposed to be quarter lane 12. Okay, we won 1. Oh. Whew. Guys, I'm scared now. Okay, we're down. Ooh, right there. Guys, greatest come back. We're down by 12. I'm about to play one match. At least we got one match. One, whatever you guys want to call it. Surprisingly, my computer isn't hot. It looks like it's cooled down. I felt that. You guys feel it. Guys, I'll at least be happy. I might even make a part 2 of this. I might. I don't want to lose, please. Because I can't make another part. This is where we traded Ben Simmons to. Wait, is our lineup in here? Let's put our starters. Kaminga. No, we missed it. Shoot. Wait, who's found out? It's Karl Anthony Towns. Wait, where's Karl? Wait, no, where's Karl Anthony Towns? Wait, no. Wait, Karl Anthony Towns is injured. Why? No. I wanted Karl Anthony Towns. Might even make me cry. Really, I need a Karl Anthony Towns carry us, homie. We're literally down by like 15 now. We gotta catch up. The greatest catch up they ever seen in your life. It's like made out of gold, and like you could call it Splash. What? D'Angelo. Oh yeah, we treated Anthony Edwards there. Oh shoot, no, I I didn't want to give up Anthony Edwards. Yes! Foul. Foul and made it in. We're down by 13 now. Who they played RJ Barrett? Oh yeah, we traded Nasir Little there. Zion is at center. Wait, is Zion the center? I think I just moved Zion. Oh no, Zion's still a power forward. Just Kate Cunningham is in. Guys, we might actually lose. Sorry, but we might actually lose. Depends how my comeback is. Kate Cunningham. Yes, Kate Cunningham. You're gonna be the reason we're guys. Come on. Can I steal the ball, Elise? We need to play defense. Wait. Green. Wall up. No. No, guys. Yes, and one. Wait, am I playing Roblox while I'm filming? No, I'm not. Yes. Come on. I want to try to win this championship. All I gotta do is win this. They have. Wait, I know what to do. I know why. We're gonna have to chase these two around because Zion can grab that board. Not I can't pronounce it. I'm calling Jonathan, or I'm calling J. Kim Koopa. So I'm gonna call him. He can barely grab that boards, but Zion can grab that boards. So that's what I should do. That Zion can guard Jaren Jackson, and power forward Jonathan can guard Nasir Little. That's now we're down by 13. I'm about to tell you guys, the greatest comeback ever. Like, I was down by, like, when I was playing this, I was down, like, 40, and I made it, I was down by, like, 50, and I caught up by, like, I made it, like, Zion, sorry, I can't talk right now. Zion, play that defense. Come on. That's what I'm talking about, Zion. Zion can't play that defense. Green. Oh yeah, D-Pie steady shooter. Guys, I want to try to win. Come on. Guys, I can't go for another year, so like, I gotta win with this year. No, this will be our second rebuild. No. I know in the Warriors rebuild though we didn't win a championship. The Knicks rebuild we didn't win a championship. I think the Rockets we didn't. So that means this will be our 4th time playing this and not winning a championship. Come on. Should never traded Anthony Edwards there. Oh yeah, because I was learning to package Ben's. Sometimes I think I'm stupid. Sometimes I don't think that. Guys, then adopt me. I'm growing my inventory, and I met a fan also, and I never met a fan in the I'm saying in a long time, like ever since I met Photo Scanner and with Elijah, not not cousin Elijah, regular Elijah that I'm not friends with. That was the last time. No. I think that's the last. I think that's when I met. Yeah, I think that's the last time I met a fan. Yeah, I think that's the last time I just met a fan yesterday when I was, cause like I'm trying to grow my inventory and adopt me that I can be like rich, as in the YouTuber rich, not as in the YouTuber rich, as in a YouTuber named Rich. No, I know there's no YouTuber named Rich. Ooh, I know who to pass it to. That's green. No! Guys, I'm literally 5'2". That's how tall I am. 5'2". If you're taller than me, comment. No, come on! No, we have 11 minutes to catch up. We have 1 minute, as in 111 minutes. And look, we're down by 11. We're gonna have 1 minute. We basically have. I'm gonna say 1 minute. We have 1 minute to catch up, or the video ends. And good, it's like 31 minutes anyway. Come on. Oh shoot! I could have shot it. Green. Yes. Okay. You know what I have to do? I literally have to play that defense. Get out of here. Go down the court. 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 No! Pass it. No! Go! Go! Zion, okay. I wanted to this be the last rebuild where we... Guys, I was just gonna restart the match, but like, that'd be cheating. We lost by... No, I don't think they're gonna try to rush. Hey, I'm gonna foul you, homie. They're trying to waste the time. I don't care, coach. They're trying to waste the time. And we don't even... We get eliminated. I don't even care anymore. All I just want to do is hit a buzzer beater. I just want to hit a buzzer beater. That's all I want to hit an all-the-oop buzzer beater, though. Forget it. I ain't making it. There. Guys, we lost! No! Guys, I'm gonna see what time it is. Guys, it's 12:36. Guys, this video is getting long anyway. What the heck? They're holding... Ooh. They're holding up a championship? Wait. Hold on. Okay, guys. Wow, I'm not gonna end the video yet. Wait, you guys can see half of the screen. Wait, guys, I literally didn't even count it. Shoot, it didn't even count it. Look, guys, see right there. See right there. It still says 3-2, and it says New Orleans has to make it. Yeah, that's fair. We lost anyway. Hawks won the championship. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna say this video should be uploaded around like 2 something. Or what's less than 2 hours though. Guys, after I'm done finishing my homework, this video should be uploaded. After I'm done filming my 2 videos, this should be uploaded. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe. I'm out. I'm so used to saying we out, peace be. But I just noticed when I say that, I always say it by myself. But I'm only by myself, so I guess now I can say it by myself. I can say I am out. Peace. And then when I'm making a video for Elijah, I used to say we out, peace. And now I can do it. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what, if you're an NBA fan, what team you're going for to win the championships. And it's we out, peace, bye. It's I out, peace, bye. Second time.